Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 scenarios where scatter charts and Power BI can transform your data analysis. Ready to unlock their potential? Let's get started. Oath has written this LinkedIn newsletter. If you want to read it, check description. First, scatter charts are ideal for identifying correlations between two variables. Whether it's analyzing the impact of advertising spend on sales revenue or finding how hours worked affect productivity, scatter charts make patterns crystal clear, be it positive, negative, or no correlation. Second, scatter charts shine in segmenting data into clusters. For example, you can group customers based on their purchase frequency and average transaction value, helping you tailor strategies for different customer segments. Third, use scatter charts to spot outliers. Whether it's identifying fraudulent transactions or pinpointing underperforming regions, these charts help you quickly find data points that deviate from the norm. Fourth, compare performance across multiple dimensions. For instance, evaluate product categories using sales as the x-axis, profit margin as the y-axis, and market share as bubble size. It's a comprehensive way to visualize your data. Finally, analyze time-based trends with multiple variables. With the play axis in Power BI, you can track metrics like sales growth and customer acquisition dynamically over time. Here are a few tips. Use tooltips to add detailed insights for each data point. Enable the play axis for dynamic, time-based visualizations. Keep it simple. Focus on the most relevant metrics to avoid clutter. Scatter charts are powerful tools for uncovering relationships, spotting trends, and gaining deep insights. Try these scenarios in your Power BI reports to unlock their full potential. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. See you in the next video.